Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy the Keanu Inu coin very easy. So as you can see, here is the chart on PoolCoin, and you also want to go to poolcoin.tokens and find Keanu Inu. So this is how it looks. What you want to do then, you want to go ahead and use a digital wallet, and for that we are going to be using MetaMask. I use MetaMask myself as well. Make sure you're using Google Chrome. Install MetaMask for Chrome, hit it. I've already done this. Once you've installed it, this comes up in the extension tab, and open MetaMask, and it will look like this. So this is how it looks. Just create your account. Make sure you're on the Ethereum network then, and we first have to add some Ethereum to this wallet in order to later change this to Keanu Inu. So in order to do that, to add Ethereum, we are going to be using Coinbase and send some Ethereum to the wallet. So if you don't have a Coinbase account yet, don't worry, create your account through the link in the description down below and even get a $10 Bitcoin bonus, which is great. So make sure to deposit some money and buy some Ethereum. Go to send/receive and then pay with, select Ethereum, boom, and then you want to be using your own address. Go here, MetaMask, and then copy account, paste it in here, and then you can see you can enter in an amount, for example $100, and when you hit continue, it will be deposited immediately into this wallet. So once the number comes up here with the amount in US dollars, we are going to change this to Keanu Inu. You want to go to the Uniswap website, uniswap.org, and here we are going to swap it. Go to use Uniswap, there we go, and first add your wallet. So go to add wallet. So I've already done that, but hit add wallet, and then select MetaMask, and then hit add, and it's very easy, just do it. Go to select token and then go to Keanu Inu price chart on PoolCoin. Copy this address from 0 to 3, copy it. Go back to Uniswap, paste it in there, and this may take a couple of moments. Let's try it again. Boom. Still not, then we can just find it like this. So for some reason it doesn't come up, but it should just come up here. So I can try it again, but this is sometimes it's a little bit glitchy, you know, like you have to try a few times. I'm going to try it again. Nope, but I'm sure it is the right address. It's just this one. Use it yourself, and I'm sure it will work for you, right, because normally it will work. If this video helps you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.